Oh god, hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a review and unboxing of Beyblade X BX-33 Weiss Tiger 360U. So yeah, right, another female blader, the sister of Multi. Really happy to get this one. Yeah, you've seen this before this video, but one of the 4 sacred beasts was right here and now. I will be getting the turtle soon. Just how I got it. I will be getting it. There's a few others I do want to get. But yeah. Okay. There's Weiss Tiger. I actually really like this design. Yeah, these designs are gorgeous. 360. There we go. But yeah, very gorgeous bay. Really happy to add this to the team. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. This is going to be a short video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.